Looking for the best Tuya smart home control panel for home automation, lighting control, and security management? In this video, we compare 5 of the best Tuya smart control panels for 2026. Featuring touchscreen displays, Zigbee and Wi-Fi connectivity, scene automation, app control, and smart home integration, these devices make managing your connected home easier, smarter, and more efficient. Number 5. MOES Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Control Panel. The MOES Tuya Smart Control Panel features a 3.5-inch touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth SIG mesh hub, infrared remote functionality, and 3 integrated relay switches. Designed for comprehensive home automation, it allows centralized control of lighting, appliances, and compatible smart devices through voice assistants and the Tuya Smart app. Its all-in-one functionality makes it an excellent smart home control. Number 4. Tuya Zigbee 3.5-inch Smart Display Switch. This Tuya Zigbee Smart Display Switch combines a vivid 3.5-inch touchscreen with app-based remote control and intelligent scene automation. Supporting lighting adjustment, color temperature control, and multiple smart home functions, it provides convenient access to connected devices through both the wall panel and the Tuya Smart app. Ideal for creating a personalized and efficient smart home experience. Number 3. Shineknot Tuya Zigbee 3.5-inch Smart Control Switch. The Shineknot Smart Control Switch features a 3.5-inch touchscreen with 4 programmable buttons for centralized smart home control. Powered by Zigbee connectivity, it allows users to manage lighting, scenes, and compatible smart devices from a single interface. Its modern design, responsive controls, and seamless Tuya integration make it a practical upgrade for whole home automation. Number 2. Staniot 7-inch Wi-Fi 4G Smart Home Security System. The Staniot Smart Security System combines a 7-inch touchscreen control panel with Wi-Fi and 4G connectivity for reliable home protection. Featuring a built-in siren, door and window sensors, and Tuya Smart compatibility, it enables remote monitoring and instant alerts through a smartphone app. Perfect for homes, apartments, and offices, it offers dependable security and easy installation. Number 1. Tuya 3.5-inch Intelligent Central Control Touchscreen. The Tuya Intelligent Central Control Panel features a responsive 3.5-inch touchscreen with 4 customizable smart buttons for convenient home automation. Designed to fit standard 86-type wall boxes, it supports scene linkage, smart lighting control, and connected device management through the Tuya ecosystem. Its sleek interface and intuitive controls make it an ideal central hub for modern smart homes. These 5 Tuya smart home control panels offer convenient touchscreen operation, intelligent automation, and seamless smart device management. Whether you're building a complete smart home, upgrading your lighting controls, or enhancing home security, these panels provide reliable connectivity, modern design, and powerful automation features for everyday convenience.